Prime Minister Andrew Holness issued a serious warning about upcoming prosecutions targeting individuals who engage in defamatory activities on social media. Speaking at JLP Youth Conference, Andrew Holness revealed that the government possesses a technology that tracks people and identify those responsible for harmful online content. Now, when the Prime Minister make a remark like this and threaten people like this, do not take it lightly, especially if the Prime Minister said they possesses the technology. Andrew Holness also said that many of these individuals are young people manipulated by political organization to spread misinformation and defamation. Now, I've always told people that Andrew Holness is a master manipulator, plus Andrew Holness contradicts himself with this one.
Yes, you boy Andrew, gotta strike you. Beg on me, bro, God, this is the healthcare system set away. You realize what we are suffer. I struggle right now as a doctor.
Bro, God, lightning I go strike you, watch.
Well on there, sorry the people. Beg on me to the boy now. Old Joe, are you Spencer Ranstead?
I mean, a nasty boy that I pass in place with.
Tell me something. I true you know it's big, make you feel like you can go around and bully people. I actually come from Spanish town and feel like say you're a bad man. You sure them not put something in your weed? Nah, like bro, God, the people them trust you over the years and you let them down, brother. Let me tell you who you be. Now I put it in a riddle. Riddle me this, riddle me that. What have ear but can't wear hat? Some of them slim and some of them fat. Some of them bubble like water in a pot. Are you that? A real tuntun. Yeah, it's a bit of a real sample one, you know.
Police, what now?
I mean, no say police. Why problem?
What am I do from kick it off? They disrespect the Prime Minister.
Okay, so the big nose boy send come. So him lock up in a film house with film woman in a bed. And you out 1 o'clock at night and knock down people door. You see, sir, you have a real waste man too.
What now for the last time this?
The last time this? Yes, you said the last time, bro, God promised a big increase and I going no money. Style, you know. And you say, man, take on for boss a slave. Hear me, say, man, let go that, man. Fall, I could drink some liquor and go on easy and relax a brain. Yo, boy, them frost out and go and sleep. Yeah, man. Yeah, so yeah, David. Boy, them drink and junk out there in the car now. So you up to? Nah, that face so pretty though. You have some nice lips. I say, yo, if you plan to do the things and reach far in life, you know, take it as me tell you.